Trucker Cody. This is called home DIY when you're home off the road. Deck railing's completely rotted. I'm out here in my pajamas because there's no other redneck way to do it with the cowboy boots and the pajamas. It's about 85 degrees right now. It's a little hot. There's bees all over, but we're getting her done. New deck railing goes up on Monday. Oh, you're gonna get stung. These bugs are gonna hurt you. You better go in the house. Quick, get in the house, quick. They're coming for you right now, Chloe. They're running after you.
Cleanup time. Just gonna do a quick update video. My husband decided to go through and demo the rails off today, since we're getting it replaced next week. So, as you can see, we no longer have falling railings. It's a work in progress still. Got all the railings down though. Looks like a bigger deck now. Oh, there's our baby. So, as you can see, the nice little pile up there. And there was a ton of mud dauber, bees, whatever. Like, there's still, like, big bees over there. I don't know if you can see them, but there was a lot of bees that came swarming out. So, stay tuned. It gets exciting.